Infinix thought they made a classic with the Hot 50 Pro Plus. Well, maybe they did. I guess we'll find that out in the course of this video. They say it's the world's slimmest 3D curved gaming phone with 6.8mm thickness in size, and Infinix also boasts of its durability. The device also comes with the newest MediaTek Helio G100 processor, but this time with a curved display. But can it beat the unbreakable Spark 30 Pro from Tecno? Let's talk about it. But before then, we're trying to get to 1K subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed to support our channel yet, please take out 1 second of your time to just hit the subscribe button to support us and take us to 1K in no time. Now, that aside, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus is currently priced at around 280,000 Nigerian Naira for the base model that comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of memory storage. You can also get the variant with 256GB of memory storage, but that comes with an extra charges. Now, both devices' memory storage can be expanded courtesy of the external SD card slot that Infinix has added in the dual SIM tray. And another unworthy detail to note is how Infinix swapped the SIM tray from the side of the device to the bottom. I mean, that is totally lovable. I like the innovation already. In the box, you get all the necessary accessories to run this device. You get the 33-watt charging brick and cable. You get a pair of wired earphones and screen protector and the protective case for this device. The design of the Hot 50 Pro Plus comes in a whole new level, not the conventional type of design we usually get, and I really appreciate how Infinix swapped things out on this one. Although they call this design the wow design, but let me know in the comments, if you pop this device out of the carton, do you get that wow impression? Do you go like, wow, this is really nice? Because it really did not do anything to me. So what about you? Let me know in the comments. The whole design of this device looks and feels premium, despite having the plastic finishing on the back and on the frame of the device. The device also comes with basic and regular features expected from every budget smartphone. This device has an IP rating for water and splash resistance. It also features a dual stereo speakers, which is tuned with JBL to give you an immersive audio quality. You get a curved display on this device, as I earlier mentioned, with a 6.7 inch screen size, an AMOLED panel that shows up to 1 billion colors with up to 13 nits of brightness, which does well in sunlight, and you also get up to 120 Hz of refresh rate for vibrant and smooth scrolling. Aside from the display being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, you also get an in-display fingerprint sensor to unlock this device. The Hot 50 Pro Plus also comes with an always-on display that shows when the device is plugged in and placed in landscape. You also get AI features like Ask AI that lets you highlight a text and Ask AI to either summarize, look up, or content match for more clarifications. This device also runs on a MediaTek Helio G100 processor and Android 14, and you also get XOS 14.5 on this device. That means that unlike the usual 4G network you get on other devices, this device will be running on 4.5G network. But I wonder why Infinix didn't let us have the 5G at once. Anyways, Infinix also promised up to 5 years of lag-free performance. That means in the period of 5 years of you using this device, nothing should go wrong performance-wise. In terms of updates, Infinix has not promised anything yet, but some reviews says they've given up to 1 year and others says they've given up to 2 years. Even GSM Arena said you get up to 1 year of major Android upgrade on this device. But as I said, Infinix has not specified clearly which of the upgrades or how many years of upgrades we will be getting on this one. The device comes with 8GB of RAM, which is the only unit available in the market right now, but with 128 and 256GB of memory storage respectively. The RAM can be virtually extended to up to 16GB and the memory storage to up to 2TB courtesy the external SD card slot in the dual SIM tray. The Hot 50 Pro Plus also comes with a lot of bloatwares and unwanted applications that constantly pop up ads on your device. I mean, I wonder why this is such a big problem for manufacturers to fix. There is nothing hard to remove applications, unwanted applications from devices and sell them to users for them to install whatever they like. There is absolutely no need for you to put in applications that would disturb users with ads after they've paid for a device. I mean, how do we scream this to manufacturers to help us with this? I mean, how? Aside from performing basic tasks, gaming on this device runs well, except that you have to manage your graphic settings to get a consistent and lag-free gameplay. The camera of the Hot 50 Pro Plus is not left out with the whole AI features. On the back of the device, you get the 50 megapixel main sensor with the 2 megapixel depth sensor. But the third camera on the back is unspecified. I think maybe Infinix forgot to add a lens there. Video recording on this device supports up to 2K to 30 frames per second max. And for the selfie camera, you get up to 13 megapixels. Stabilization mode only works when you record videos at 1080p. So that practically means risking quality for stability. And if you subscribe to our channel right now, you'll be giving us stability on YouTube. You get other features like the AI eraser to remove unwanted objects from your photos, and the AI cutout to copy out images without background, and then there is the AI wallpaper generator, which has gotten a lot better on this device. For battery, you get a 5000 mAh battery capacity, which gives you a decent battery usage time as both an average and an intense user. And this device supports up to 3 different charging modes, which is a smart, hyper and low mode, and you only get these options when using the charger that comes in the box or other chargers from other Transsion devices. Anything from Samsung and Oraimo might not work. Now, this device might be a worthy upgrade from its predecessor, even though its predecessor still has features that definitely outperforms this one. But putting the Hot 50 Pro Plus side by side with the Spark 30 Pro from Tecno, I'll definitely choose the Spark 30 Pro from Tecno over the Hot 50 Pro Plus. And the reason is that apart from the Spark 30 Pro having a much better feature than the Hot 50 Pro Plus, the price you pay for the base model of the Hot 50 Pro Plus could get you an improved version of the Spark 30 Pro, and that is just incredible. And yeah, that's it for me. What about you? What do you think about this device? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to get us to 1K and to support our channel. And that being said, until the next one, bye for now.